Nostalgia has a very unique flavour in the sense that it's symbolic of the catch-22 that is a battle between happiness and wisdom. I wouldn't say nostalgia is as simple as merely being a throwback to simpler times, but it's more to do with our loss of innocence as we understand more about how complicated the simple act of existing can be. It wasn't because the issues back then were any less complicated. It was just because we were young, we had seen less. So the flavour of nostalgia, then, is an acknowledgement that the wiser you become, the more you understand, but the more likely that that complexity will come hand in hand with a little unhappiness. So we chase nostalgia as an emulation, a bookmark of what simple-minded happiness used to be for us, paired with the wistful knowledge that we could never quite unlive our experiences and be a former version of ourselves again. But that's precisely what gives nostalgia meaning. The fact that we can't go back.